This 2008 Ford Econoline commercial cutaway is brought to you by Imports Auto Group LLC. Just in 2008 Ford Super Duty E350. Dual rear wheels dually. XLT edition. 5.4L V8 engine. Regular cab. Dock height. Box truck 14 foot long, 7 foot wide and 7 foot high. 5-speed Super Duty auto transmission. Runs and drives. No rust, clean truck. Serviced and ready to go, $2,500 under KVB price. We beat everyone's prices, nothing to hide, no Photoshop pictures, auto check available on every vehicle. Must see IT, call us today 330-475-4817, or for more pics and deals like this one please visit www.onlineautowarehouse.com or www.importsautogroup.com for the best deals on diesel trucks, crew cab, EXT cab, quad cab, king cab, Ford Powerstroke 6.4, 7.3, 6.0, 6.7, F250, F350, F450, F550, 2500